Ever wonder how to create a full-time income online using the skills and creative expertise that you already have? Watch this video of my top 6 profitable online income streams that have made me over $30,000 a month. For the best advice and tips on growing your audience, income, and impact online with your creative expertise, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get my latest uploads every week. Over the last few years, I've started my online business as a hobby and went from a full-time interior designer for a local real estate development company into running a full online business using the skills that I have. And I want to show you how you can create a full-time income using your creative expertise too. When I first got started online, I started with a blog, and what I had seen, or what I thought I was seeing, was that a lot of bloggers were making money with ads, affiliate programs, or sponsored content. And this is getting paid to promote other people's brands and other people's content with your audience. But when it comes to making money as an affiliate or with sponsored content, the revenue from this for your online business truly varies a lot. Ads start out at pennies per click, and some of the biggest affiliate programs that you could join could pay you thousands of dollars for every purchase that you bring in. So you can see how different it is to get pennies per click and to be an affiliate for a high ticket product. You can truly make anywhere from a few pennies to a few $1,000s. It really all depends on the product and your audience reach. It also depends on the level of promotion from you. One great resource that I use that's in alignment with my brand and what I'm all about is a program called Share a Sale. So Share a Sale has multiple different brands on their platform, but you can get affiliate links to these various different products through one website. Another is the Amazon affiliate program. This is in great alignment with me and my brand because I like to participate in affiliate programs where I can make money passively, but also share links to things that I really use. So when I share products with my audience from Amazon, I'm sharing it because it might be a tripod that I use for my camera, or it might be some kind of lighting equipment that I use. So I really am only going to be sharing things from these platforms of services and products that I actually use. But for me, when it comes to affiliate products and sponsored content, I don't really take an active approach to this. This is not my bread and butter main income source for my business. This is truly just the first thing that is scratching the surface of how to make money online. The second biggest part of my monthly income is my monthly reoccurring revenue, or MRR. This is my membership site where I get membership sales for my membership Ivory Mix. So in 2016, I launched my very first online membership, and I talked about it in this video here. In the beginning, when I started my stock photo journey, I started with one-on-one and working with clients one-on-one. But having a membership and creating stock photos for a larger group of people utilizes a better use of my time for a greater revenue impact. You could get 41 new members with a subscription that's roughly $400 a year, which is, it works out to about $33 a month. You could open this up every other month, so have a launch every 2 months, and that would equal $98,000 a year. And the thing about monthly revenue and a monthly membership is it's a reoccurring revenue that is scalable, where my time with one client is not. So over the past few years with my membership, I've made well over $350,000 in that alone. You can launch a membership for many things: monthly group coaching, monthly graphic templates, monthly copywriting templates, and really the list goes on. It doesn't need to be templates or resources. It could just be online training materials and coaching. Really, the sky's the limit when it comes to monthly revenue or memberships. The thing is aligning that with the transformation and the goals that your ideal clients have and seeing what kind of membership model might work. The key to a successful membership is knowing if it's valuable to your ideal clients enough to have a monthly reoccurring payment. And then you also need to know that you have to over deliver to keep your audience coming back. So nobody wants a monthly membership unless it really truly brings the exact value and then some. Because I can guarantee you, any monthly membership you've ever had, you've sort of negotiated in your mind whether or not you actually needed it. So you must go into a membership knowing that you have at least 2 years worth of content that you could possibly create. You don't need to have that content created, but going into creating a membership, you need to know you have at least that much in you to create value for your audience, because the general rule of thumb is that most memberships continue to get their members to renew their membership at least for a few rounds. And for me, for my membership, we focus on annual subscriptions, and so I know that most of my members are going to be a member for 2 years. So if you know that you have at least 2 years worth of knowledge to share, templates, or something along those lines with your audience, then a membership model would be good for you. So instead of a membership, you could launch an online course or even multiple online courses. This would be the third way that you can make money online. And this is the way that I started. The way I started was with a mini course teaching phone photography. What I loved was that I could teach what I knew in bite-sized action and charge under $50, making it super affordable for my audience and also teaching something that I knew all about. Now, to date, I've made over $150,000 from these kinds of mini online courses. Unlike my membership, online courses only require you to create it once, but much like a membership, you can still sell your course over and over again without having to create more new content. But there's no reoccurring revenue. But much like a membership, an online course will require you to have some kind of a launch plan or sales process to bring in new leads and convert them into students. If you can get 15 students to enroll in a course for $550, that would be $8,250. You could open this up once a month. So 15 students once a month for 12 months is $99,000. I use Teachable for my online courses, which means I must do my own marketing. But if you use something like Udemy, then you get the benefit of them marketing for you. But what I like about my hosting and hosting my courses on Teachable is that I'm in control of my course website. So at this point in the video, I'd love to hear from you. Which of the 3 so far are your favorite business models? Do you like online courses, or are you interested in starting a membership, or are you all about the affiliate and ads type programs? The fourth type of way that you can make money online is through coaching or some kind of a one-on-one service. So this would be packaging up what you can do and helping another person achieve that goal with your help. It can be extremely rewarding, but done wrong, it can become a grind and not actually very profitable or scalable. So because of that, it helps to charge a top dollar and to get your clients to put you on a regular retainer. So this means monthly reoccurring revenue. You're still working on client work one-on-one and helping your clients, but on a reoccurring basis. You could get 12 clients in a 90-day service, so something that might be a 3-month contract, and that might be $2,000 each. You could open that up to new clients every 90 days. So you would only be opening that up every 3 months. Or you could get those 12 clients to re-up or re-enroll with you again for 3-month retainers. So that would end up being 12 clients at 24,000 times 4 launches a year is 96,000. So if you're a graphic designer and want to get more clients by creating monthly content for them, you simply sign them up onto a monthly retainer. So if you want to increase your prices, or if you've tried this one-on-one service method and you really want to get into the top dollar, what you want to do is start focusing on selling strategy a little more than selling the end product. So if you could help your ideal client achieve better results by helping them improve their strategies in some ways, then a lot of your clients will most likely be willing to pay top dollar if you can improve the end result by helping them out with their strategy. So for instance, if you are a social media content creator or a graphic designer and you help your clients by creating them templates, you can really start raising your rates if you can help them out with their social media strategy. So it's an extra added service, but guaranteed you're gonna have ideal clients knocking at your door looking for your help if you can get your ideal clients results. So if you have a way to help others get results and improve their strategy, then it would be wise for your clients to pay a little more for that service. So when you're pitching your one-on-one services, consider how you can pair strategy with assets to really get the best top price. Although I don't do one-on-one coaching or one-on-one photography work anymore, I've done them in the past, and I started with custom brand photos, and more recently I've done group coaching in my Level Up Launch Accelerator. You could get 8 new clients in a 6-month group at $3,000 each. Okay. You could open this up to a new group 4 times a year. Only 4 times a year are you launching. So 8 times 3,000 times 4 times a year is 96,000. So the 5th way that you can make money online is through selling digital products. So instead of packaging your products in an online course or a membership or a service, you can package it in a quick and easy digital download. So this would be stock photos, templates, printables, ebooks or guides, or maybe videos or presets or some kind of digital asset like illustrations. Digital products are a great way to get started because they can be quick to make and also quick to launch. So they're not as complicated in the customer service area as a membership or an online course. You don't actually need a website either because you can host your digital products on platforms like Creative Market or Etsy, or if you want to launch an e-commerce website, it's pretty easy to do with something like WordPress and WooCommerce. So even though I have a membership that includes many of my digital products, some followers who just don't want a monthly membership would rather just buy my individual products. So I actually have an e-commerce shop on my website where my followers and my subscribers can just buy the individual products instead of enrolling in my membership. So for me, because of that, I continue to make sales on individual digital products as well every single day. So the 6th way that you can make money online is through collaborations, bundles, online summits, or flash sales. So basically the way I like to think about this is bringing in revenue in some kind of a special launch that only happens once. So if you've ever dabbled in memberships, online courses, or digital products or services, you can actually collaborate with others to create some kind of special bundle or collaboration project where you do one flash product launch, sell it to your combined audience once together. This is another way that I've brought in revenue very regularly for my business, is collaborating with other online business owners. As I continue to scale my offers and scale my audience, I do fewer and fewer of these, but these truly have helped me reach additional followers, additional ideal clients. So you can host these yourself using something like Sendowl that has the ability to create affiliates for digital products. But one of the best ways to get started is to just start a collaboration or some kind of bundle of your own. And these kinds of products are great because they're unique and because they can only be found together once, and it really increases the value and the scarcity of that particular bundle, and it helps you reach a wider, bigger audience. So now you know my top 6 online income streams for my business, and I've gone ahead and put together a quiz to help you figure out which one would be right for you, and you can grab it now right below this video. Also, if you're finding it hard to decide which avenue is right for you, you can join my secret Facebook group right below this video as well, where you can connect with other creative experts and content creators to bounce around ideas and really discuss these different online business models. If you like this video, give me a like and a thumbs up and share it with your other friends and content creators. If you share it on Instagram, on your Instagram stories, tag me at _Ivory Mix for a chance to be featured in my stories or on this channel.